How to download and install Instagram app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the App Store in your mobile device. If you are on Android, you can go ahead and open up your Play Store. Once you're inside the App Store, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and then in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on Instagram right over here, and then you'll find install option in the blue button. You simply want to go ahead and tap on install, and just like so, wait for it to download it on your phone. And once it is downloaded in your mobile device, go ahead and open it up, and then simply log in or sign up to your Instagram account. Well, that's all it takes to download and install Instagram application. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.